In today's video, I'm going to teach you APEEP Action Nodes Explained. This is the part of your automation system where everything connects to the real world. Think of it like this. Triggers start your workflow, and actions perform the work. Triggers listen for events, such as a new email or a change in a spreadsheet. Actions take that signal and do something useful, like sending a message, updating a document, or posting online. Let's start with trigger apps. The Gmail trigger watches your inbox and can fire when a new email arrives or when it matches a filter you set. Use filters to keep things targeted, like only kicking off the workflow for messages from a specific sender or with a certain label. The Google Sheets trigger starts when a new row is added or when a sheet is updated. This is perfect for forms, signups, and status tracking. Just make sure your sheet has a clear header row and the right permissions. There's also the RSS Read Trigger, which automatically reads RSS feeds. It's great for blog auto-posting and news automation, and you can control how frequently it checks for updates to balance freshness with efficiency. Now, the action apps. Bitly can shorten URLs automatically so you can share clean links. With Dropbox, you can upload or download files, ideal for saving attachments or archiving outputs. Gmail lets you send emails, read messages, and apply labels, which is useful for confirmations, alerts, and inbox organization. Google Calendar creates events and updates schedules, so you can turn incoming data into time-blocked tasks. Google Docs can read and modify documents, helpful for updating templates or generating reports. Google Sheets can append rows, update existing data, or read values to power decisions. Treat it like a shared database for your automations. Pushbullet sends push notifications to your devices for quick alerts. YouTube can create playlists, upload videos, and manage your channel, useful for content pipelines. On X, you can post tweets and manage your account for announcements and updates. Reddit lets you create posts and monitor subreddits, perfect for community engagement. Perplexity AI runs AI-based search queries to gather or enrich information before you act on it. ElevenLabs converts text to voice for AI narration, allowing you to generate audio on the fly. And Bluesky lets you post content to reach audiences on that platform. In short, this section connects your workflows to apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, YouTube, Reddit, and AI tools. Triggers start the workflow, and action nodes perform the automation. In the bigger picture, your template is organized into data transformation, flow and core, and app actions, a complete, scalable structure for mastering n8n.